Bitcoin money is a mid-position cryptographic money right now estimated at $190.03 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $3,702,789,356, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Over the kind of past essentially couple of years, cryptographic forms of money, including Bitcoin money, laid out an exceptionally impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and are currently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, products, and unfamiliar monetary standards, forex, in an unpretentious way. A few institutional financial backers even really consider crypto as a productive supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy in a genuinely large way. Retail financial backers and dealers explicitly are especially keen on digital currencies, for example, BCH, in light of the fact that this by and large is ostensibly the most open monetary market, where various resources in every practical sense have the exceptionally potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a somewhat brief time frame, which explicitly is genuinely critical. These profits truly are somewhat unreachable in different business sectors, which explicitly is the justification for why most especially moderate financial backers for the most part are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Bitcoin money. While the groundbreaking ones generally give a critical piece of their kind of cash flow to this quickly creating resource class in an unpretentious manner, at this genuinely specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin money to the level at $190.03 where it right now sits, showing how over the in every way that really matters, past truly couple of years, cryptographic forms of money, including Bitcoin money, laid out a truly impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and are currently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. As currently referenced, BCH really is a mid-position cryptographic money, since it by possesses the 20th spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the kind of metric still up in the air, by duplicating the in every practical sense current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in a kind of significant manner. On account of Bitcoin money, the market capitalization really remains at $3,702,789,356. The significance of this boundary will be in large made sense of later, showing at this specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin money to the level at $190.03, where it right now sits, exhibiting over the essentially past couple of years. Digital currencies, including Bitcoin money, laid out a very impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and truly are currently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, products, and unfamiliar monetary standards, forex, in a fundamentally huge way. Recently, on August 23, BCH in a real sense was esteemed at $184.73 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Really recollect that digital currencies are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. in a very significant manner. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period in a real sense, added up to 0.13%. 7 days prior, on August 17, Bitcoin money fundamentally was exchanged at $207.87 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that near its current position, showing how a few institutional financial backers even essentially consider crypto as a proficient supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, which truly is genuinely critical. On July 24, which explicitly was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged BCH at $238.83, the cost level that for the most part is at the distance of 20.43% from where it right now stands. The cost of BCH and the readings of CVIX by and large are not by any means the only measurements that we use while attracting the cost expectations a really significant way. Market capitalization in every practical sense is another significant especially metric that for the most part assists traders with certainly deciding the ubiquity of the cryptographic money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities, exhibiting how pretty retail financial backers and dealers fundamentally are truly keen on digital currencies for example, BCH in light of the fact that this is ostensibly the most open monetary market where various resources truly have the sort of potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a generally exceptionally brief timeframe, which is very huge. It's likewise used to, in every practical sense, survey the offer that Bitcoin money certainly holds inside the genuinely whole digital currency market in a very enormous manner. The recipe for the computation of market capitalization is fairly straightforward. The coursing supply of the money being referred to fundamentally is duplicated by its extremely current cost, showing how these profits especially are in every practical sense out of reach in essentially different business sectors, which truly is the motivation behind why most especially moderate financial backers generally are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Bitcoin money, while the groundbreaking ones certainly commit a huge part of their cash flow to this quickly creating resource class in a kind of significant manner. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of BCH for the most part remains at $3.700 to $789,356, enough to name it the 20th barely the biggest coin on the digital money market, exhibiting that yesterday, in August 23, BCH especially was esteemed at $184.73. At the turn of the two exchanging meetings, all things considered. Recall that digital forms of money explicitly are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., which by and large is genuinely huge. Recently, on August 23, the market capitalization of Bitcoin money fundamentally remained at $3,599,144,803 in a truly significant manner. 7 days prior, on August 17, the capitalization of BCH generally was $4,048,813,225 in an especially significant manner. A month prior, on July 24, how much lovely capital streaming around this exceptionally specific market in every practical sense added up to $4,647,046,353 in an unpretentious manner. Most digital money financial backers certainly stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a specific cryptographic money and its capacity to especially endure disturbances, which basically are the in every practical sense normal event on this profoundly unpredictable market. The truly greatest stock of Bitcoin money especially is 21,000,000 BCH. The complete stock of BCH right now remains at 19,485,025 coins, which in a real sense is very critical. The coursing supply of the digital money under survey basically is 19,485,025 BCH in a sort of large manner. This Bitcoin money cost expectation wouldn't explicitly be especially finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it is the certainly metric utilized by basic